Welcome everybody back out here to Somerset Place for this week's artifact exhibition. We are standing inside of the original salt house, and we're going to be talking about the lard paddles that we have on display in this building. Now, pork at this time was the staple meat for both the Collins family and the enslaved community, and every part of the pig would have been used, including byproducts like fat that would have been boiled into lard. And this process, boiling lard, is known as rendering. And so enslaved persons like the hog tender Jack Swine would have been boiling the fat in a large cauldron of water, stirring it with this lard paddle right here, and then skimming the lard off the top of that mixture. And this lard, depending upon where it was going, would have been stored either in the meat rations building for the enslaved community, which we covered on a previous episode of our Lost Building series, or it could have been kept in the dairy for the Collins family, an original structure that still stands today. And so lard was a very important culinary ingredient in the 19th century, both as a fat for cooking and also as a spread, for which it was much more popular and more readily available than butter at that time. And so enslaved cooks like Grace Bennett and Lovey Harvey Cabarrus would have been using a lot of lard for the very lavish meals that they were cooking for the Collins family. The enslaved community, meanwhile, was not only using lard within their dishes, but also as a source of lighting in lamps known as Betty lamps that could be illuminating their houses. And so lard definitely was multifunctional for the enslaved community at that time. And so that's a little bit about the lard paddles here. If you have any questions about these devices or any other things that you've thought of, please let us know. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And we hope you guys will join us for a guided tour.